Hello, today we are going to look at my notebooks. At first, we will start with my course name, which is the solar system. Here I have included a lesson plan where I have many resources from Creative Commons, such as pictures and 2 links, including 1 video and 1 website, and then also other question up there and key points to mention, as well as similarities and differences for the students to discuss. And additionally, I created a project in which I could incorporate it in the classroom. Then I found a great article about the stars and I annotated it to highlight the important parts of the article as well as things to make sure that students will understand. Additionally, I have some of my personal notes, and those are about budgeting and my sister's wedding and all these other things about how to better organize my life and to have gratitude. And these, and I don't think I shared all of my notes in the solar system, so I also have one more. I also have 2 things that are individual research, and they include researching our own planet, which is planet Earth, and if children want to learn the names, we have a fun song attached, and these are both through Creative Commons. Lastly, I've tagged each of the things, and so my topics are individual research, lesson plans, my personal well-being, planning, and then 1 science experiment. Thank you.